Okay, buckle up. This one broke reality. Now, take a beam of light and you shoot it through two slits. What do you expect? Two lines on a screen, right? Nope, you get an interference pattern. Like light is acting as a wave, not particles. Weird, but fine. Then scientists got cocky. They set up detectors to see which slit each photon went through. And guess what? The interference pattern vanished. Just observing the photons forced them to behave like particles, not waves. This isn't a glitch in the matrix. This means that measurement itself changes reality. At a quantum level, particles don't have defined positions until we look at them. Before that, they exist in superposition, smeared across probabilities. Now let's go further. If the act of observation forces collapse of probabilities into one reality, what does that say about consciousness itself? What if observation isn't just passive? What if it's participatory? A function of reality holding in on itself, like a 4D hypersphere constantly generating its own shape. The double slit experiment didn't just change physics, it cracked open the door to a universe where reality isn't fixed until you interact with it. And that changes everything. Okay, last time we saw that observation collapses reality. A photon isn't a thing until something interacts with it. But now let's talk about why. Enter the Higgs field, the invisible structure giving everything mass. If the universe is a 4D hypersphere, the Higgs field is a fabric, shaping what exists in 3D space. Particles interact with it, gain mass, and boom. What was just a probability wave now has physical presence. Now, here's the wild part. If interaction with a field determines reality, what if consciousness itself is just a state of interaction? Let's define it. A system is conscious if its state of observation is strong enough to collapse a particle's wave function, meaning everything with mass, every atom, every structure, complex. You collapse reality at massive scales. A rock, less complex, but still interacting with the Higgs field, still shaping what exists around it. Atoms, molecules, even black holes, they all participate. Consciousness isn't just a human brain function, it's a fundamental property of existing in a universe where reality doesn't settle until something makes it subtle. So maybe your thoughts, your decision, your awareness aren't just in your head. Maybe they're a part of the same mechanism that gives the universe form in the first place. And if that's true, what's really looking back when you look at the stars?